Koalendar offers 3 ways to add your booking page to your website. We'll go through 2 examples in this video, but in any case, the easiest solution, no matter your site builder, is simply to link a button or text. However, this isn't one of our actual embed options. The first option is an inline embed, which will display your booking page directly on your website as we see here. The second option is to add a pop-up widget or a floating button as you see here. This will open a pop-up with your booking page directly on your site. And the third option is pop-up text or a pop-up button that will do the same as the pop-up widget and open your booking site. The first example we'll go through is how to add a pop-up widget using Squarespace. So here we have a professor's website and we're using Koalendar as an easy way for his students to book office hours with him. You'll see our inline embed right here and the pop-up widget available on the bottom right-hand side. But in order to add the pop-up widget, I'll use another site as an example. So here we have our Squarespace editing page. We'll hit edit and we'll click on add block. Now we'll search for embed and we'll have our embed block populate onto our web page. I'll want to move this down just a bit. Next, I'll head back to our Koalendar booking page. Over in the top right-hand side, we'll click Share. We'll go to Add to Website. And here I'll select Pop-up Widget. You'll have a variety of ways to style it. You can change the icon, the text, the color. Once you're happy with how it looks, you'll go ahead and copy the code. Head back to our Squarespace editor, double click on our embed block, select code snippet, go into embed data here, and just paste our code. We'll hit enter. We'll save this, and now we'll go and preview this. And here we have our pop-up widget. All right, for our next example, we'll use Wix. So here you'll see we have a dog walking site using Koalendar as an easy way for Jessica's clients to book walks for their pups. For this example, we'll go through the inline embed. We'll head over to the Wix editor. And now you'll hit Add over on the left-hand side. And I've searched HTML. You'll want to select Embed Code. Now we have our HTML element populated. I'll take a moment to resize it. And now I'll head over to our booking page editor for Jessica's site. And so you can see we're on the main page. Again, we'll hit share, add to website, inline embed, copy the code, and double click here. We'll want to clear out this code, and now we'll just paste our Koalendar embed code. And voila, there you have it. 2 easy ways to add your Koalendar booking page to your website. If you have any other questions, especially for other site builders or platforms, just check out our help center at help.koalendar.com, also linked down below. And happy scheduling, everyone!